Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to show character count in the status bar of Microsoft Word. This instantly displays your exact, real-time character metrics at the bottom of your screen, saving you from clicking through multiple tracking menus when writing precise headings or metadata tags. First, open Microsoft Word and locate the long, horizontal status bar running along the absolute bottom edge of the software interface. Move your mouse cursor directly over an empty space on this bottom bar layout and right-click to open the Customize Status Bar menu. A detailed configuration selection list will pop up vertically on your screen display. Scroll slightly down through the tracking items and locate the property option explicitly labeled Character Count with spaces. Click on it once to place a checkmark next to it and instantly activate its live display engine. If you also need counts without spacing, click the option directly above it labeled Character Count, no spaces, to check that box as well. Click anywhere back inside your main blank text editing document layout to close the customization window. Now you can look at the bottom left corner of your workspace to see your live characters update with every single keystroke. And that's it! Your real-time metric character tracking layout is now completely optimized and operational. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.